Hey, why is the video maker glitching?
Guys, get over here.
Right now.
What is it,
Canadian Scout?
Why is the video maker glitching?
Because today is August
14th, which means the legacy video maker will retire today, and we have to seek shelter in order to survive the shutdown.
We need to seek shelter right now.
Come on everyone.
Let's go.
Move, move, move. Come on everyone.
Alright, I think we are safe down here.
Oh my god, it's earthquake effect. And also,
It's a snow effect and double red alert effect. Oh no.
I think the legacy video maker
is now glitching.
Guys, I am sure we'll be just fine.
Guys, this means it will take us back to Beyond Studio, and we only have 10 seconds left of the shutdown.
Wait a second, that means in only one thing. The shutdown is happening right now. Oh god.